In problem 7.3, we're asked to determine the time constant of this RC network circuit. We have a single capacitor, but we have a network of resistors, and so what we'll do is use series and parallel combinations of resistors to combine the four resistors we have here into a single equivalent REQ. So we will begin by combining the 25K and the 35K into an equivalent 60K. Then we have a parallel equivalent of the 60K and the 40K here, and if we do out the math, that works out to 24 kilo ohms. So we have this 24 kilo ohm equivalent of the three resistors we had on the right. Then we combine that in series with the 6 kilo ohm, leaving us with 30 kilo ohms in parallel with the 50 picofarad capacitor. And we know that the time constant is given by the equivalent resistance multiplied by C. So for an RC circuit, tau is equal to R times C. And so we multiply together the capacitance and the equivalent resistance, and we end up with a time constant of 1.5 microseconds.